All right, credit cards. So this section, you go to the drop down, you go select add and edit. Now, before we get into the credit cards, let's jump into profile, because this will impact or give you more options when you get to the credit card screen. So you're going to fill in your name, and what's important here is to pick your country and to fill in the city and the rest of the information. But what's really key is the country, because some features are like turned on and off based on the country. So as we roll out more features, then it will be looking at this information. And here is the household information. So with the owner field drop down, it pulls the information from here. So let's assume you had multiple people in your household. You're living with your parents or you're living with your kids, and you want to be able to track expenses and other information that's specific to that person. That's when you would enter their information here. And the beneficiary, you just check this if they're the beneficiary on your will. But usually you'll just leave this open, and then you just pick what their relationship is and their date of birth. I think this is an optional field. And you'd also hit save here, and it would automatically update it, and then you'll see that they're here. And you can delete it or edit this information. So if we go back to credit cards, at edit, this option to upload your credit report is based on the country. Again, this is only currently available for Canadian users. So this feature really makes entering all this information really easy and really straightforward. So you just choose your file from the PDF. So the way that this works is at packs.ca, and you would just register. It's all free, and then you would just be able to hit the download or print. I think it's like the download credit report screen. You download your credit report, and then you would choose it here to upload, and then Henri just automatically reads your credit report, and then it would just pre-populate all of your credit cards in here, so you don't have to enter them manually. Now after they're all entered in here, you would have to go into each one and then just let it know what type of card you have. But if you want to do it manually, you would just put in the card. Let's say it was a card. Now here's the owner. If you want to track it, so you as the owner of the account are automatically in here, and then any of the owners that you added will also be in here as well. And if you just want to just leave it blank, it will just apply to the whole household. So most people just leave it blank unless they want to get really fine-tuned and they really want to get Henri to start to know about other people in their household. So when they start asking Henri questions about their finances, they can also narrow it down by each owner as well. And then you choose the kind of card it is. Again, depending on your country, like you'll only see certain cards. So if you are an American user, you get all the American credit cards. If you're a Canadian user, you get all the Canadian credit cards. Again, this is just based on the country that you selected. Then I would pick which kind of BMO MasterCard it is, because BMO has a bunch of different ones. Let's go with the World Elite. And I just enter the current balance in my account. So current balance is how much I currently owe on this credit card. Let's just say it's $500. And then the credit limit on the credit card went to $1,000. And the interest rate that I'm paying, 19. Monthly payment, let's say I'm paying $150 a month, and this is the date, the date that I make my payment due date. Now you could get this information from your credit card statement. Let's just say mine's on the 8th. Annual fees, some cards have annual fees. Let's say mine's $29. So the has insurance. Some card offers, some some users opt for insurance on their credit card that's offered by the credit card company. If that's you, then you just toggle this to yes. Auto pay is that if you automatically pay this amount each month, then the date that you open the card. Now this is going to be important because when we can start getting into some of the goals around optimizing your credit score, things like that, then the age of the card comes into account. So, try and be as accurate as possible. And the statement date, this is also available on your account statement as well. And the payment plan, some credit card company offer a payment plan. And if you are on a payment plan, you just toggle yes for this as well. And you save your information, and then it's going to automatically show here. And there's this little slider scale, so you kind of get an idea of how much you've used, your utilization. And so you just repeat this, and you'll see that it's now added onto the left-hand nav. And then you would just repeat this for all your credit cards. So once you've added the card, you can then go into the card itself, and you can get all the details about the card. Credit limit, everything that you've added. You can get a snapshot of how much this is costing you. 27 cents a day is what I'm being charged for owing $500 balance, for carrying this balance. And I've had this car for about 3 years and 8 months. And there's a little bit of information here about the card as well, about how much you get for different categories. So things like groceries, 5%, 4% on transit, reoccurring bill payments. So here there's a lot of information.